It's quite clear that we're living in the land of AI, and I'm appreciative that not everyone is across OpenAI and indeed what is powering ChatGPT. More importantly, 10 days ago, GPT launched 4.0, and that's the latest version. Now, GPT 4.0 on your iPhone or your Android or Samsung is an amazing tool, and I encourage you to download it and start using it. Another brilliant piece of software that's launched is HubSpot's Content Hub. Now, what's going to be more fundamental is how ChatGPT, not just 4.0, but indeed their API, the connector into most SaaS platforms, are working hand in hand with the tools you're used to develop a 1 + 1 = 10 outcome, a far better result. So the new two kids on the block is ChatGPT's 4.0, but indeed HubSpot's Content Hub, which you may or may not see already in the press. Now, in the weeks ahead, something special is brewing where Lupo Digital is going to be presenting how ChatGPT, using OpenAI's API, together with HubSpot's Content Hub AI tools, can be fused together to create beautiful and seamless customer experiences. If this sounds of interest to you, please fill out the form below. Obviously follow our LinkedIn and YouTube page, and most definitely you will get a tap from us as soon as we let the cat out of the bag as to date and time and where you can tune in to straight away take tangible outcomes and start using these tools within your HubSpot portal, or helping you get onto the HubSpot portal to take advantage of ChatGPT AI as well as HubSpot's AI. Look forward to seeing you soon. Stay tuned, it's coming. Don't forget to register.